Good morning. Welcome to MktMetrics Morning. I'm Doug Gale. I'll be your host today. Just suppose for the moment you know what the exchange insiders know. MktMetrics does. It's important for you to know what the specialists and market makers are currently doing with their inventory. What do you say we take a look? We begin Monday's trading by examining the Dow, and we notice that the Dow remains in a downtrend. Today's reading, falling. The Dow trend is 0%. Dow momentum rising 3% versus 0% the previous day. Dow volatility rising plus 980 versus plus 775, a new record. 50-day net change rising today, negative 2926 versus the all-time record of a negative 3004. Let's take a deeper look into what the smart money is currently doing with their inventory. As we look closely, we notice that the exchange insiders inventory is rising falling negative 15% versus negative 12% the previous day. Institutional money flow rising 3% versus 0%. Institutional demand rising 13.22 versus 8.16%, the all-time low. Institutional inventory rising 10.29% versus 6.42%, the all-time low. Institutional accumulation distribution trend fell to a negative 77%, an all-time low, versus negative 69%. Monday's trading highlights, as I view them, are as follows. World stock markets are higher this morning as the G7 meeting appears to have been productive. Wells ends up buying Wells Fargo buys Wachovia. Oil higher, dollar lower are today's market movers. MktMetrics.com statistics are all at 60-year lows. Bottom may be here. DIA, Dow 30 Exchange Traded Fund, moving average 8-day versus 21-day, 96.79 versus 104.84. Equals all-time new low of negative 805 versus negative 6.47 the previous day. October Fridays are known for selling climaxes, so maybe Friday it was it. Futures and options expires 5 days. Let's take a look at the outlook for both the Dow and the stock market as a whole. As we began Monday's trading, we noticed that the Dow outlook is bearish, falling 8% versus 11%. Stock market outlook, bearish, falling 9% versus 5.6% the previous day, so that's rising. The Dow Jones Industrial Average has a probability of closing up Monday of, we don't know, 8 days in a row. Could be 9 days down because we're in historic territory, and normally it doesn't go down this much this consecutively. An all-time low was 13 days in a row, set back in 78 when I was around. The DIA probability of closing up Monday is 19%. Now, starting tonight, we're going to start posting the results of our trading ideas, which should get exciting. So stay tuned for more. Check back with us tonight on our blog. I'm Doug Gale, not always right, just very seldom wrong. Please visit me daily, MktMetrics.com. Read the blog day and night. Trading ideas in the evening, stock market forecast in the morning. Well, we're approaching 9:30. You take care. Good luck and good trading today.